Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through 4 beautiful blondes, my favorite. Karina is a taupe blonde with a dark root at the top to kind of make it seem like, realistic hair growth at the top there. She is a lace front, okay, lace top wig. She's got that wefted back, 22.5-inch cap size. So I used the adjustable straps in the back to tighten her up a little bit for me. She does have the combs in the back if needed. And she is 20 inches long, super beautiful. 100% Remy human hair. So take a look at that color, taupe blonde. Super beautiful, very natural looking. All right, so this is Karina, long, blonde, and beautiful. We have Alina. She is beautiful as well. She is a light ash, so definitely lots blonder, lots blonder. A lace front cap, okay, and wefted back. Again, adjustable straps and combs. She is a 22-inch cap. She is also 100% Remy human hair, and you can use hot tools on her as well. Oh, she's got like mermaid vibes. Look how long and beautiful she is. So she looks longer than Karina, but that's just because she doesn't have as much curl into her as Karina did. Definitely could add curl. Long, blonde, beautiful. All right, that's Alina. Hannah. She comes in Almond Frost. I love this color. It's such a warm blonde. She is 16 inches long, so a little bit shorter. She's 100% Remy human hair. You can add any style to her that you like. She has a mono top. Okay, 100% hand tied, mono top, wefted back, adjustable straps. Isn't that so gorgeous? It's like a golden blonde, just very warm, very beautiful. It's honestly a color that you could wear all year long. I feel like it'd be beautiful in the summertime and beautiful in the wintertime for a blonde. I'm obsessed with Hannah. So beautiful. Isn't that color just gorgeous? I'm obsessing. All right, last one I want to show you guys is Emotion. She is 100% human hair. She does have a dark root. She is lace front, adjustable tabs, combs, wefted back. This would be great for running errands, just needing like, something cute and simple, but nothing that's gonna get in the way, just a cute little bob. All right, so 4 different blonde wigs. I wanna know which one is your favorite. Which blonde do you love the most? Let me know in the comments. And until then, have a good one.